Why are you so sad? Why are you so sad? How many brothers are you? How many brothers are you? How did you make it? How did you make it? Why did she do that? Why did she do that? What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? Now or later? Now or later? Let's try another one. Let's try another one. Do you take credit cards? Do you take credit cards? Where are you going? Where are you going? Don't argue with him. Don't argue with him. I go to the gym every day. I go to the gym every day. Some other time. Some other time. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? How do you know? How do you know? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. What do you think? What do you think? Where are your clothes? Where are your clothes? Take me with you. Take me with you. How old are you? How old are you? Are you in your senses? Are you in your senses? Go and play. Go and play. Shut up. Shut up. You have this. You have this. Do you smoke? Do you smoke? Do you have a car? Do you have a car? Shall I call a taxi for you? Shall I call a taxi for you? No doubt. No doubt. Be patient. Be patient. Forget it. Forget it. Look what I found. Look what I found. Did anyone hit you? Did anyone hit you? I can't say. I can't say. It's too late. It's too late. No one could do it. No one could do it. It's cold. It's cold. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Could you repeat that? Could you repeat that? Can I turn on the TV? Can I turn on the TV? I have given up painting. I have given up painting. I have to think. I have to think. You will learn English. You will learn English. Nothing special. Nothing special. Any problem? Any problem? It's nothing. It's nothing. I need more time. I need more time. I have given him my words. I have given him my words. Where to sit? Where to sit? There is nepotism in every sector. There is nepotism in every sector. Let me in. Let me in. Do what you like. Do what you like. Look at me. Look at me. Find it, please. Find it, please. Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? When to sleep? When to sleep? Why are you shouting? Why are you shouting? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? I am off. I am off. What happened? What happened? Anybody home? Anybody home? I traveled by train. I traveled by train. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.